Magsi-zipline kami na nanglilibre sa amin. Yung pinsan ng asawa ko. Taga-Laon yun. Kaya nagaya siya dito. Kaya sagot niya lahat ng aming expenses.
Wow.
Kaya swerte ang iyong lula. Doon kami magsi-zipline. Ayan o, ayan o, ayan o. Ayan,
Oh no!
Ayan, magbabayad muna kami ng entrance. Dito daw magbabayad ng entrance mga kamis. Ayan, sana kakayanin ng iyong lula pag nagsisipline. Magbabayad sila dito. Ayan yung sumagot sa amin mga kamis. O yan, ayan. Ay, hiking Mount Malungaw. Ayan yung mga price list pala sila dito. Zipline, 800. Ano yung 800?
3,000 per bundle.
1.5 adventure package. Adventure package D14. Cable package. 350 zipline 1. 620 millimeters. Zipline 2, 600. Ay, dyan lang kami sa zip. Sa number 1 kami, number 1. Yan yung kakayanin natin. Number 1.
Later.
Ma, ako pa susuotan.
Kaya nga, dito sa'yo. Okay na ba?
Ikaw tita kung gusto mo.
Kayo mauna! Kayo mauna! Dingke! Dingke! Itanggal niyo.
Ano naman? Ikaw na lang ito ng sibo mo?
Ate! Picture kayo ah!
Ano ni Wawan?
Niyabanan sa...
Sige na, ikaw na kayo! Ano kayo?
Hindi, ani, ita na. Dati balong ka. Ek.
Dapat may isa.
Dapat may isa. Alam ko daw, yun. Yun pala. Okay, una ah.
Kasi mapakaw ko ng ganda. Mas mapakaw ka.
Ito tayo, ano lang naman. Ito na lahat. Si Ana wala. Mama to ni Bossy. Bossy May. Okay, thank you. Okay na, kuya?
Kuya, pa-picture nga ako.
Hey. Safety first. First time ang lula. First time lula. Yun. Yun. Ayun yung anak ko. Siya naman. Oh, ayan.
Ano nyo?
Ah, dito kami pala huli.
Arrival doon ang
Oo,
departure.
doon ang ano, starting point. Kabila, kaya ihahatid kami doon sa kabila.
Di mamu ano dakan puntan. May mamulungay kayo.
Doon ako sa likod.
Sige.
Sa likod kami, sa likod. Oh, go, go. Papaan mo dyan.
Ang sikip kasi tita dito. Mama mo.
Hindi mo ay matupit.
Mama, adjust. Ano ko makapag na? Yes ba? Baka ano daw, sagod.
Para kaming nasa construction.
So mag-ayos
Safety
tayo
first.
ng building.
Safety first, safety first. Ayos na kami ng adventure. Banggulaw. Balunggaw pala.
Banggulaw.
Ano, baliktad.
Kinakabahan na yan si tita.
Sino?
Ganyan, bagalonggaw.
Kaya nga eh. Binawala ko na lang yung kaba ko eh.
Wala na. Saya to, bye-bye. Bye-bye into
Oo.
the heaven.
Mga adventurous. Nung first time ko kumakain sa ng dinig.
Bakit yun?
Sige ako. Diba kaya ko?
Malibig dito ka na. Ayun ko rin. Ikaw na lang mo ito. Ako na last.
Ito una-una ka mag-video. Meron dito Francis.
A few moments later.
Kami akyat. Dito pala ang daan bago kami makasakay na makaakyat ng mga adventurist. Masakit yung hita ko.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love
Buti may
you.
signal kayo.
It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide
Ay, ang ganda. Overlooking.
whenever you need.
Mapagurin ka pa pala bago ka makarating. Hala, ang lahat.
I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day.
Ay, ang
I
ganda.
love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you.
A few moments later.
Waiting for you all my life.
Bakit isa-isa lang ba?
My dream come true.
Kuya, isa-isa lang? Wala?
You're the light in the dark,
Patay tayo dito.
unsad world of mine. I'd be lost if not for you.
Kuya, siguraduhin mo naka-safety
And
ako
I
ha.
love you more and more and more each day.
Aray ko, hindi na ako makatayo.
I love you more and more and more than I can say.
O yan.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being
Kuya, wawan pa.
you.
Diyos ko, Lord.
I will never let you go.
Kala ko sabay-sabay tayo. Ay, hindi
I
pwede
will
pala.
never let you go.
Bakit tubig na ano na yung kuya?
You're my sweetest addiction. You're
Fish pan yan
my
dyan.
strongest inspiration, and I love you.
Ano daw?
It's true.
Stand ba nila nga muna?
There's no mountain
Okay, Standby
could
lang.
not climb. As long as you
Picture mo
were
na tayo.
mine.
Paps!
And
A few moments later.
thank you for being you. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. There's no mountain I could not climb.
Lord, kinabahan ako. Nanginginig yung kamay ko, kuya. Ayan si kuya. Nanginginig talaga yung kamay ko. Ang ingay ko. Dito muna ako, kuya. Kagiguan ko yung anak ko. Siya ang sunod eh. Oh, Diyos ko, kuya. First time ko talaga, kuya. Grabe. Nanginginig. Nanginginig pa rin. Videoan ko muna si Francis.
Umarap ka dyan.
Susunod na? Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Nanginginig talaga ako.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain
Akala mo
I
malalaglag
could
ka na?
not climb. As long as you
Diyan pala huli.
and I thank you
Oh, anong feel?
for
Anong feel?
being
Si Kuya Wawad ka na-stuck doon sa gitna.
I'll be your best friend.
Oh, baba ka na doon.
Video ko daw si Ate Jom.
I'll
Ay,
be
medyo mo.
your guide whenever you need.
Ikot mo!
I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day. I love you
Maris.
more and more and
Nakaupo lang pala
more.
si Maris.
More than I can say.
Ay, sasabit!
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my
Si Papa mo
strongest
nag-stuck dyan, oh, sa gitna.
inspiration. And I
Mabigat siguro.
love you.
Nag-stuck siya.
It's true. No mountain I could not climb. As long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'm waiting for you all my life.
Oh,
You are my dream come true. You're the light in the dark and sad world of mine. I belong
Rescue.
not for
Rescue.
you.
Galing.
And I love you more.
Sobrang bigat ni Kuya.
and
Mabigat kasi si
more
Kuya
each
kaya
day.
ano.
I love you more and more and more than I can say.
Stop ka doon, Kuya.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my
sa
strongest
gilid.
inspiration. And
Si Maris.
love you.
Si Bianca yata. Si Bianca sunod Kuya.
There's no mountain I
Ayan na
could
si
not
Jim.
climb. As long as you are mine.
Ano?
And I thank you
Ayos.
for being you. I will never let you go.
Binidyo mo ako siya kanina.
I will never let
Nakarating
you
na talaga kami ng
go.
safe. Thank you. Yan mga kamis. Tapos na kami.
You're my
Salamat at
sweetest
safety ang aming
addiction.
travel from
You're
there,
my
from there, from
strongest
there.
inspiration.
Ayan, dito na kami. Salamat Kuya sa pag-assist. Shout out. Thank you. Baba na kami.
There's no mountain I could not climb. As long as
Sila yung
are
kabado.
mine, and I thank you for being you. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration, and I love
Thank you,
you.
ate. Ayan, ate.
It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you
First time ko pag ganito.
for
Ayaw ko ay
being
nakabahan ako.
you.
Pero hindi pala. Okay pala. Sarap pala. Wala yung stress. Naiwan sa ano. Kabundukan.